Yeah, you got your hair cut today on a fire truck. It was nice.
Green car. Green.
Yeah, there's a green car and there's a fire truck.
Car. Big car.
Yeah, the fire truck was nice. Was the fire truck nice?
Big car.
Yeah.
Big car.
Baby's car. Yes, it was pink. We said that was for baby Grace. Did you go on a fire truck?
Truck.
Was it nice?
Yes.
Was the fire truck nice?
Second nice.
The fire truck was nice?
Second nice. Right.
Yeah, the fire truck was nice and there was a motorcycle. Fire truck today?
Second nice.